Why backing up your Evernote notes matters.
Losing important notes can be frustrating and costly. Backing up your Evernote notes from your mobile device ensures you have extra copies in case of accidental deletion, app issues, or switching devices. A secure backup is one of the best ways to protect your valuable ideas, work, and memories from unexpected data loss.
Checking your Evernote sync settings.
Before starting a manual backup, make sure your notes are fully synced. Open the Evernote app and verify that all your notes show the latest changes and updates. Tap the sync button or refresh to ensure nothing is left behind. This ensures you're backing up the most current version of your data.
Exporting notes using the share feature.
Evernote Mobile does not support direct export of all notes at once. For mobile backups, select important notes individually. Open a note, tap the share icon, and choose to send it to your email, a cloud storage app, or as a file attachment. Repeat for each note you want to back up securely.
Backing up to a cloud service.
Cloud storage is a safe place for your backups. When sharing your exported notes, choose trusted cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive when possible. This keeps your files easily accessible and protected, even if something happens to your phone.
Staying consistent and secure.
Regularly schedule backups to avoid losing new content. Consider setting a reminder to back up new or edited notes every few weeks. Secure your cloud accounts with strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. Remember, staying consistent makes recovering your notes easy if the unexpected happens.